Hi, my name's Todd.
And my name's Sean, and this is my 1930 Model A Coupe. Today, Todd and I are going to hopefully show you some tips on how to save time installing shocks in your Model A. The shocks that were on this car are these friction shocks. They were broke here at the bracket. There is no spring, and there were rubbers in the middle, so I don't really think they were working as shocks at all. Hopefully this video will show you some tips that the instructions don't tell you about when installing gas shocks or hydraulic shocks in your Model A.
Here's the new one.
The first thing we did was to remove the bracket that goes between the two bumpers here in the back of the car. The second thing we found helpful was to remove this bracket here. This bracket is bolted to the body of the car and then down to the bumper bracket. Removing this bracket will help make your bumper rail a little more flexible when it's time to slip the shock plate in between the frame and the bumper rail. Adding a little heat will help loosen your nuts. The shock absorber plate will fit nicely between your bumper rail and the frame of the car. Be sure to tighten all nuts securely. Installing the lower shock plate to the rear wheel is very simple by following the directions provided with your shock absorber kit. Once the rear shocks are installed, the front shocks install quite easily by using the original shock mount holes in the frame of your car and simply drilling or welding onto the front of your frame. The top plate of the front shocks bolted to where the old shock mount was on the frame. We chose to bolt the front shock to the front axle. Hopefully this video has helped you with some simple tips to make shock absorber installation a little easier on your Model A.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.